Today, I am reviewing the Philips 4400 series fully automatic espresso machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a coffee lover looking for a versatile and easy-to-use espresso machine at home, the Philips 4400 series fully automatic espresso machine is definitely worth considering. This machine offers an impressive range of 12 different hot and iced coffee recipes. So whether you want a classic espresso, a creamy cappuccino, a smooth latte macchiato, or even an iced Americano, it's got you covered. One of the standout features of this Philips espresso machine is its SilentBrew technology. This innovative design significantly reduces the noise during brewing, making it about 40% quieter compared to earlier models. So you can enjoy your fresh coffee without waking up the whole house or disturbing your family. It's perfect for early mornings or late-night coffee cravings. The LatteGo milk system is another highlight that coffee fans will appreciate. It creates silky, creamy milk froth with just the push of a button, and it works wonderfully even with plant-based milk alternatives like oat or almond milk. Plus, cleaning the LatteGo system is super simple. It comes apart into just 2 pieces and rinses clean in under 10 seconds. This makes daily maintenance hassle-free and keeps your coffee tasting fresh every time. For those concerned about water quality and machine maintenance, Philips has included the AquaClean filter. This filter purifies your water to ensure more flavorsome coffee, and it allows you to brew up to 5,000 cups without needing to decale the machine. That means less time worrying about cleaning and more time enjoying your favorite coffee. The machine's ceramic grinder is built to deliver consistent grind quality while being gentle and durable. Ceramic grinders are known for maintaining the natural aroma of the coffee beans because they don't overheat during grinding. So, your coffee always tastes rich and fresh. Another convenient feature is the removable brew group, which makes it easy to clean and maintain the machine's internal parts. Guided descaling also helps you keep the machine in optimal condition with clear instructions, ensuring long-lasting performance. With a 1.8-liter water tank and a compact design measuring approximately 17 inches wide, this espresso machine fits nicely in most kitchen spaces without taking up too much counter area. The sleek black chrome finish adds a modern, stylish touch to your kitchen decor. The Philips 4400 series also offers a quick start feature, so your coffee is ready fast, making it ideal for busy mornings or when guests arrive unexpectedly. Its ability to make both hot and iced drinks adds versatility for any season or preference. In summary, the Philips 4400 series fully automatic espresso machine combines a wide variety of coffee options, quiet operation, easy cleaning, and smart features like the AquaClean filter and LatteGo milk system. Whether you're new to espresso machines or a seasoned coffee enthusiast, this model makes brewing high-quality coffee at home simple, enjoyable, and customizable. If you want a machine that balances convenience, quality, and style, the Philips 4400 series is definitely a strong contender.